Right. Senior congressional correspondent Chad Perkins is keeping track of it all live on Capitol Hill. Chad, will Democrats ultimately support them?
What? Really? Really? Really?
Nominee John Ratcliffe. Minority Whip Dick Durbin is a yes on.
Ain't no nigga alive can name a telephone battery. Ain't no nigga alive can name a telephone battery. Come find out just alive can name a telephone battery. Come find out yourself that. This is the second time I come back to retirement because
Jesus. Oh. Jesus. Right.
This is when I'm going super slow and have my blinkers on. They're hazards. People are passing me. And then this person decides that they're just gonna, like, continue to harass me. No matter which way I go, they're ready to go and follow me. This is when I finally lose this person. Thank God. The BMW is gonna come and mess with me, but I just don't even care. Like, I just don't even care at all. Like, I'm so sorry, Mr. BMW. Ms. So sorry, Ms. BMW. Yeah, brake check me, I don't care. Just keep going. Just keep going. I need to get in front of this truck and trailer. You're faster than me. Good job. You win.
No. Back up. Back up. What are you doing? Back up. Back up. Back up. Yeah, you're on camera. You're on camera. Back up. You're the one jumping the line. No, she doesn't. Use your head.
Bianca Torres.
I'm proud of my promotion.
Needs more shoes.
I earned it.
And business suits.
It is a big deal for our family.
Police, hair salon, and luggage.
I know our kids are so proud of me.
Jewelry engraver.
It was my idea to put our company on the radio.
Promotion deserved. Be where anyone who...
Yeah. Now we've got to go through.
Well, I guess it was an interesting observation made by what's his name?
Paul.
No. Out in the factory.
Oh, okay.
Fuck, I'll think of his name. The one who loses his plot all the time. He said to me before Christmas, "It's just no one gets in trouble, do they?"
Yeah.
Retarded idiot. My God.
Think that their politics shake the whole world, but the rest of the world's really not all that concerned about who gains the throne in Tol Holneth. We're here on a matter of much greater urgency. He looked off into the darkness in the direction of Tol Baroon. Idea if we left the area. I imagine we'd better stay away from the main highway.